Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Saturday, July 3rd, 2021. We headed out to our normal spot in the morning, and we didn't wait long for this first train to arrive. A southbound manifest train, led by an ES40DC and an ES44AC. Here I was trying to get a different angle of the locomotives going by than I usually do, but then I headed back over to where I normally stand to film, before traffic backed up on the road and blocked my view. Check out these CSX ballast hoppers, painted in the old orange maintenance of way scheme. And an interesting pattern of weathering on this hopper here. Some freshly painted gray tank cars here. And a couple more of those orange hoppers. And a single lonely CSX auto ride. And after about 3.5 minutes, the end of the train goes by us here. After this train pass, it would be about another hour out in the heat before anything else showed up. Another southbound, led by an AC44CW and an SD40-3. And check out these old Conrail box cars. And a cut of coil shield cars here, starting off with an old Conrail one. This middle CSX hopper has a bunch of plants sticking out the top of it. And now we're into a huge cut of hopper cars on the back half of the train. This went on for a few minutes. Getting towards the rear end of the train now, and check out all these old Chicago Northwestern cars mixed in. And finally, the end of the train goes by. About 20 minutes later, we'd have another train. This one with some great rolling stock. And watch this car speed through after the crossing's already activated. pair of AC-44 CWs lead this northbound train, the leader, in its Y&2 paint. A CSX Big Blue boxcar. And all these tires dumped here let us know that low-class people have been here. And a freshly painted GATX boxcar. And check out these old boxcars. And have a look at this one here. Market, Tomahawk, and Western Railroad Company. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before, so this was a great catch. Check this car out. It's carrying what appears to be locomotive wheel sets with the traction motors attached. Definitely an interesting car. And a nice shiny tank car here. Finally, the end of the train goes by. Well, folks, that's all for this episode of French Fried Trains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.